This 2015 Ford Transit 150 van is brought to you by BENITEZ Auto Group, providing 25 years of exceptional service. At BENITEZ Auto Group we specialize in providing quality vehicles below the market price. We provide full history report, and have warranty options up to 24 months. We work with many banks, lenders, and credit unions nationwide. We also offer our popular in-house financing for those who have bad credit or no credit. We understand that buying a used car can be challenging. BENITEZ Auto Group has been serving the Dallas/Fort Worth Metroplex by providing financing to customers with bad credit, no credit score, or lack of credit history. You can buy a used car with bad credit with a small down payment at BENITEZ Auto Group. 2-day money-back guarantee/7-day vehicle exchange free history report video 360 available at request. Vehicle runs well. Smooth ride. Arctic cold day/C must test drive. Family friendly drives. GREAT 2 days to test drive. Personalized financing terms online. A non-smoker owner. Visit us at benitezautogroup.com.